Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will see what are class method, how you can convert function inside a class into a class method using class method function or class method decorator. Let's start. Class methods are methods or function available inside the class which can change the state of the class, that is the value of the class variable directly. They have first special parameter which refers to the class itself. Generally we name it as CLS. They are bound to classes. Object method as compared to class method are bound to object. They can change the state of the object, means they can change the value of object variable directly. They have a special first parameter called as self, via which they can change the content of the object variable directly. Third method are static method. They cannot change the state of the class or object directly because they don't have any special first parameter like CLS for class or self for object, but they can indirectly change the state of the object or class using parameters it has received in the function. Now we will see how to convert a method inside a class into a class method using class method function. Here you have class employee. It has class variable which is initialized to 0, and it has a member function which is having first parameter as CLS, and it is accessing the class variable and updating its value by 1. After this class ends, we have to convert this update emp number of class emp into a class method. Syntax is, we will call class method function. Inside opening and closing parentheses of the class emp, we are passing which function? Update emp number. So emp dot update emp number will be passed as a parameter to this function. This will return a class method which will be stored in emp dot update emp number as a function. Click on the cell, run the cell. By this you have converted this method inside a class into a class method which can change the state of the class or change the state of the class variable directly using the special parameter CLS which refers to the class itself. First we are checking the class variable content. Initially it is 0. Then using the class we are calling the class method emp.update emp number. Emp is the name of the class and update emp number is the class method. So it will update emp number by 1. We are checking the status of emp number via the class itself. Class dot emp number, it will have a value 1. You can call the class method through the object of the class. Here what we have done, we have called the constructor of the class emp which will return the object of the class, and here itself we have directly called the class method. It will increment the value of the class variable emp number by 1, and when we check the status of this value, we can see that output is 2. This was the first method where we have used a class method function to convert a function inside a class into a class method. Second syntax for conversion of a function inside a class into a class method is using class method decorator. Your class is same, class emp. It contains one class variable emp number. Using the method, we are updating the content of the class variable. We are incrementing it by 1. As the parameter CLS is assessing the class variable, we have to convert this function into a class method. For converting this, we precede this function by a decorator. Syntax is @class method. By doing so, this CLS will refer to the class directly emp, then we can access emp number directly and increment it by 1. Click on the cell, run the cell. You can check the status of emp number. We are calling emp number class variable by class name directly. Initially value is 0. We are calling update emp number class method. It will increment emp number by 1, change the state of the class. Then we check the status of the variable. It is 1. we can call this update emp number via the object of the class. Therefore, running the cell, increment the emp number by 1, and we are checking the status of the variable. Now the value is 2. That's it for today's video. We have seen what is a class method, and we have seen syntaxes for conversion of method inside a class into a class method using @decorator, class method decorator, and class method function. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.